So we're going to be working on a right turn on a left bend. Now the first part is going to be on the countryside and the second part is going to be on the town centre. So it's the same sort of problem but different types of traffic. So we'll have a look at the first bit in the countryside slow motion to give you an idea, and then we'll do it together in normal speed. So straight away we've got a couple of warning signs: sharp left bend, right turn, and the road narrows out on the left. And then we've got queuing traffic warning as well. And we're going to be doing right, so it's important to check your mirrors, let everyone know your intentions, and start slowing down to give way. There's a sharp bend chevron in the distance. We want to be in first gear on that bend, and we definitely want to be giving way because you can't see anything what's coming on the left. Don't worry about traffic on the junction on the right, they've got a give way line there. So we're slowing down for first gear. And we're probably clutching it because we're expecting to just crawl forward. No, don't go over the white line in the middle. Follow that bend to the left and get out your seat, lean forward, look to the left because you can't see anything at the moment and we're about to get to the junction. So we might even go past the junction a little bit. As we get there, you can see there's a white van turn up, so we're slowing down to give way and check to the right, make sure nothing's been silly going on, make sure the road's clear, and check to your left, make sure it's still clear to proceed. The white van's going a little bit wide, which is helping us. And it looks like it's clear, so we're going to make a move, checking our right mirror, making sure no one's trying to go past us, try to cut into that corner. And as we're moving off, straighten ourselves up and then start to bring speed back up at that point. So this is what we're going to be doing then. You've seen the slow motion of the left bend where we're going to turn right on. Now, it's not far off a hairpin bend, it's a pretty sharp corner, and the important thing is you recognise the danger and you recognise where the road's going and who you should be giving way to. So in the next 30 seconds to a minute we're going to come across it. It's a country road we're on and we're doing it at normal speed, where the first one was slow motion to see what's going on. So 60-mile-an-hour road, I'm doing about 45, approaching 50 mile an hour. I can see the road ahead of me, lots of signs. Now if you ever come across something with lots of warning signs, it's usually dangerous. So we're going to be doing a right turn on it, and I'm just going to talk through what I'm doing. So I'm checking what's happening behind me, easing off the gas. I'm going to do a right turn on that left bend, so I'm slowing down, letting everyone know I'm going right. And because I can't see what's on my left, I'm slowing down to give way. I'm not going to chance it, I'm going to slow down. I'm not going to cross over the white line, that's just as worse. I'm going to slow down for first gear and I'm going to come to a crawling pace. I'm not worried if there's a car behind me, which there isn't unfortunately. So I'm following it round, I'm going to lean out my seat, put my signal back on, first gear. Now, it looks clear, so I'm just going to make a move for it now. It's as easy as that, nothing complicated. It's about playing it safe and not rushing it. If you took that in second gear, you'd have no chance because you won't see what's coming until it's too late. So stick to your side of the road and slow it down to give way. So we're going to move across now to the next one, which is the same sort of situation. We're going to do a right turn on a left bend, but this time instead of being in the countryside, it's going to be in the town centre where there's a lot more traffic. So we're in Bletchley at the moment, just behind the town centre. It's in Milton Keynes, and we are going to be doing that right turn on the left bend again. Now, because it's a busier area, it's easy to miss it. So you just got to be careful, because obviously do what you normally do, give way to oncoming cars if you need to. And in the distance, where the red houses are in the distance, that's where the right turn is. So if you're on your driving test, just so you know, the examiner's not going to say to you on the bend, it's going to say to you to take the next right turn. So we're just taking our time. The right turn's ahead of us, so we're checking our mirrors and just getting past the yellow car. I'll do a signal. Don't want to do it before, it might confuse them. And you see the white line going around to the left, you see the junction line just about on the right, so I'm slowing down again and I'm just popping it in first gear, turning with the bend, signal back on, checking. There's a car coming, so I'm going to wait. Look at the junction. It's always good to look in the junction you're going to go into. And as soon as they've gone past me, I'm making a move. It's as easy as that. So I hope you like the videos, and feel free to leave comments on future videos. Feel free to like and share, and just enjoy the videos, and hopefully you're learning from it at the same time.